Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change your country on Google Play Store. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. To change your country on your Google Play Store is just simple and easy. So the first step is to go to your profile page and then go to payments and subscriptions. Next, just tap on payment methods. Now just tap on More Payment Settings. Just wait a little bit and then it will direct you here. First, we need to verify that it's really you that is using the account. Now enter your password. And then just tap on Not Now. It will then direct you to Payment Center. Now the next step is to tap on the menu page. Next, tap on Settings. Now from Settings, you can see General Settings where you can see this option, Country or Region. Now just tap on Create New Profile to change country or region. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.